Which one?
Yeah, go! Do it! Do it!
Yeah, yes, you should, totally. Oh! Come on, Mondo. Oh! I think I'm almost ready.
Okay, let's see it.
Okay.
This does not work.
Oh my lights.
Actually landed really nice.
I got that on video, so. Just full send.
Okay, just let him up on.
Yeah.
Ah, okay.
Just go fast. Keep going. Don't look down. Keep going. Keep going. Oh my God! Oh my God!
It's right here.
Let's see what the smoke bomb does.
I mean, could you get closer to us, Timmy? Yeah, Timmy.
Yeah, smoke like a...
This is what we did in my day.
Oh my God. I have that on video. She got that. I have it on video.
Your dad would get kicked out.
Nice one.
That's so bad. Oh my God.
I'm gonna document this injury. Oh my God. Oh, MG.
Everybody, George can't see me. He's been practicing for like an hour. Oh, there he goes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Here he comes. Whoa, jeez. He doesn't have any idea I'm sitting here. He's been. Oh, whoa, jeez. Nice. Oh, gee, whoa, gee. No, and cut. Yeah, you win.
You won't break it.
I'm hoping you don't break any body parts.
I'm hoping it don't go in the water with me on it.
It won't go in the water. Okay, we'll go get the garden hose to spray out the slide a little bit.
Your butt fit?
It's gonna have to though.
Let her rip, Tater Chip.
Waiting for him to move.
Come on, I'm waiting.
No.
Watch out, Luana. Move, Miss Shaylee. You're gonna want to move. Anna, are you okay? Oh my God.
We both suck. America.
Nice try. Nick on the hamster wheel.
Wait. There we go.
1 minute, I don't.
Bucket, throw it high.
Does anybody have that? He hit the ground so hard. What's he gonna do next?
How's Luke doing?
It's rather effortless.
That's higher than the one Josiah broke his arm on. Keep that in consideration. What are you gonna do?
I decided to create that V. It's already being in the ground.
Oh, I'm totally right now.
The canoe in the winter.
You can do it, Cam. Go!
In the snow.
Oh, never mind. I messed up. I'm sorry. Oh my God, Mom! I didn't mean to. Mom!
We just want to watch how well you do.
We're here for support. Am I going live?
Oh boy.
You got no one to hold them up there, so once he gets in, they're gone. Ready? He needs to straddle it and let her get in. Safe.
Oh!
I got that. He wants to focus on the raindrop. Oh man. Oh. Do it again. Natalie.
Oh!